Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. So let's start the program properly. I've seen some of you on the comment section. I think I've displayed your messages. You are welcome back. And please do me a favor, like the video, share it on any platform of your choice. We are here again this hour to do the needful, to make sure that you update us on the things going on social media in our home, simply because today is Mazi Nnamdi Day. Hashtag Mazi Nnamdi should be trending. If you have not actually do that, please do it in your own little way, in your own way. Even on the comment section, flood it with hashtag free Mazi Nnamdi. This is what we want us to do. And we're going to go through a few things. We are going to discuss about things that surround the free Mazi Nnamdi and the update about the invitation that they sent to Wazurike, okay, and we are going to go through a conversation between our brother Ezokona and Vicar. But before we get there, I want us to go through a few things before we talk about that audio. We will speed it up because today is fundraising, and I would like to, join that. I would like to stream that, of course, but please, as you come in, do me a favor, share this particular broadcast. So thank you all on the comment section. Let me start from Sonny. Sonny, you are welcome. Nelson Mark, our brother, is here with us, and Excellence Wachuku. Excellence is here. Ozo, blessed. I greet you, Ozo. Eze Summers, I see you. Esther Bueno, I greet you. Benson QA, greetings to you, Benson, and also again. So these are the people that have made it on the comment section so far. Please, like I said, hashtag free Mazi Nnamdi is what I want to see on the comments. If you can do that, I will be glad. So do that, and even if you in your own wall, maybe let's say your Facebook, Twitter, if you have an account there, Instagram, TikTok, flood it as well with hashtag free Mazi Nnamdi. Let the whole world know that Mazi Nnamdi should be freed. I think today and tomorrow should be the internet should receive it, simply because that's the way to create the awareness. And remember, as you are talking about Mazi Nnamdi freedom, you are actually talking about your own freedom. As you are wishing and praying that Mazi Nnamdi should buy or pay, you yourself are digging for your own home. And that is what this thing that I said now, we are going to talk more about it on the conversation between the Ezokana Sons official and Vicar. Vicar called Ezokana, and Vicar did not expect it, which is, of course, happy to see. Very, very happy to hear that. Now, let me bring to you this. Let us go to the program itself. Now, I saw this post. Let me take my video down so it will be more visible. Yeah, we are good to go. Now, I saw this particular post, where they designed Shawara background and everything with Biafran color, and so now Barawa made such post. I don't know why. What is going on? Just a moment. Okay, are we good? Okay. Please like the video. Make sure you click on the like button. Like the video. Now, Sona Brown made this post. Honestly, I don't like it, and I will tell you my reason. I've seen it somewhere else, then seeing it on Sona Barawa's handle, I said, okay, I think I need to, since I think the picture is making way on social media that I don't think is good. Let it not just create one kind of feelings. That's why I said, whoever is behind the picture, I don't know what you have in your mind, but to be honest with you, I want anything about Biafra to be out from this protest. This is my own opinion, please. And I will tell you my reason. People are looking for a way to destroy this plan of this protest, simply because they want it to be, that Shawara is siding Biafra, Shawara is now speaking for Biafra. If you do that, you actually bring in, delay and destruction or obstruction to that particular protest, which personally I don't like it. I don't like it. So that's my reason for not liking it. I think the best thing to do is to make sure you distance yourself as a Biafran. Don't bring Biafran cause, don't bring Biafran issue to the protest. When you start designing a picture like this, it will look like the protest is about Biafra. And people who may want to come out willingly to support may decide to step back. So how can you just decide to do this kind of thing? Greetings to you, our brother Oluchuwa God. I greet you, sir. Christopher Chukwuemeka Ezechukwu, you're welcome. Dewo he says, and good afternoon from my location to you all, genuine Biafran, and may the good Lord bless and protect us from every evil. He said, DCK, Christopher. Zinta, I see you. Christian, Free Mazamanakan, hashtag Free Mazamanakan. Let it, please, even if you have never commented on my video, don't even if you hate me so much, for the sake of Mazamanakan, just type Free Mazamanakan. You get why. And there was Mazakai, that from our brother, our uncle, one of us, Ezubom Madam, Oluchuwa God. Thank you so much. Please make sure you do that. Hashtag Free Mazamanakan is the key. Now, like I've said, I don't like this. Thank you so much. I don't like this idea of designing show like this. I've told you my reason behind it. Nothing more. So, unless if you are against the protest, enemies can use that and say, oh, Shore is behind the Biafran struggle. Oh, Shore is pushing that Nigeria should be divided. All this tactics could be to get him arrested, which is very, very funny and very, very evil. So speaking of arrest, let's go to what regard everything, how Mazakan was arrested and Shore's take, what Shore said 5 hours ago. So as you can see here, I was deeply involved in the struggle for the validation of the June 12th election, and I remember vividly how the system operated back then, how they weaponized the judiciary to buy time, to deceive the public, and to justify injustice. They keep saying Abiodun's case is in court, using that as a shield for tyrant until they eventually killed him a day before his supposed release. It was a well-orchestrated tragedy disguised as legal process. Today, I see the same script being replayed with Mazamakano, the same manipulation, the same excuses, fake narrators, fake protesters, the same abuse of process. The language has not changed, only the victim have. History is repeating itself before our eyes, and just as we fought to expose the truth then, we must do so now, before it is too late. The Mazi Kano I saw in court on October 16 is very ill. We must rescue him before another citizen is sacrificed to the bloodthirsty Nigerian elite club. This is something, to be honest with you, it is quite touching. You understand? It is quite touching. And I want us to understand that there's some Igbo people that see themselves as the controller of Mazam. To them now, Mazam Kano's life is in their hands. They want to use Mazam Kano to do Makwandaibo, and God will not allow them. God will never, ever, ever allow them, because there's no need to support these people with their evil mind, their evil plan, their evil target, simply because they want to criminalize everything and make sure they succeed in doing so. What she already said here is what happened in 1993, June 12th, during the time of Abiola, that he can feel, he can see the same script being replayed. They are working hard to use the same tactics again on Mazi Namdekan, but this time around, The victim is what changed. The language, the tactics, it's same. It was Yoruba issue when during the time of Abiola, and Igbo people, of course, supported Abiola massively. Makande they write up. The Igbo people and the Yoruba people have never worked together. I published a video on our second platform today about this man called George Oyibe, who decided to put another negative, divisive statement simply because he wants to use that to portray an idea that Igbo and Yoruba cannot work together. That for Sowore to come out and speak simply means Sowore have something in mind that eventually will swallow Igbo people. That Mazi Kano is using Sowore is using Mazi Kano. At end, both of them will sacrifice Igbo people. That write-up makes me feel like some people can be crazy. It doesn't matter how eloquent you sound. It doesn't matter how you pretend to be important in the society. What matters is what you offer. My attention is only focused on final results, not what you are painting or what you are, bragging that you can do. I can't pin it down on that. George Oyibe is a well confused saboteur, filled with identity crisis around him, just like Nsima of this world. Nsima tried his best, labeling Igbo people names, saying all manner of garbage, thinking that alone will weaken the Igbo people. But today, even the Yoruba that he worked for are actually calling him names, insulting him. Not all the Yorubas, but in every garden there must be Judas, isn't it? So whether some Yoruba are clapping for him, some of the Yorubas that he may call Judas, I may call even the real Oduduwa, who understand that the Sema is a mistake to our region, a very big mistake. So all of them from this riverine area always want their voice to be very loud, but they have one thing in common: always creating problem, thinking that they're hurting Igbo people, because everybody wants to use Igbo people to catch cruise. Even some people from Edo, some of them that claim they're Igbo. Imagine the name of George Oyibe, George Oyibe from Ibanke is pushing wrong narrative about Igbo people for months now. For months now, is now trying to advise you. Imagine when your enemy is advising you on how not to associate or work with Sowore. That simply means the whole thing centers in making sure that Mazi Kano remain where he is. You get the point. I can see our people here. Asatina is here. Asatina and Obi-Wan Ozo. I greet you. Esther Beno, I think I said my greetings to you. If it is, of course, I greet you already. Jake Oden. I hope I have not murdered your name, my brother. He said, good afternoon, my brother. Good afternoon to you. Asatina is here. We are still moving forward, regardless. They were Biafrans. I greet you, Asatina. Victoria Weke, one of us, our own sister. Shalom, Kai. Thank you so much, my sister. I greet you. You are welcome. Triple M. Greeting to you, Mazi Kai. Report greeting to you. Noreen, I greet you, man. You're welcome. Please do me a favor, even if you have never commented on my video. Okay? I'm not saying you should say hi, Kai Report. Just type free Mazi Kano. That's what this video is all about. But relax. We are not here just to pass time. There's a conversation between Vicar and Ezokana's son. Vicar reached out to Ezokana's son. We're going to play that conversation here, and we are going to hear that. Yesterday I told you that Ezokana's son official is possessed. I told you that the guy is possessed, very good, with a very good spirit, very, very tough one, very, very, very tough one. And sometimes I'm laughing because I'm happy. If you don't want me to be happy, I don't know what is your problem though. So we are gonna we will get to that part. Please just bear with me. We are not in a haste, even though we do, because very soon fundraising will start. But we will try our best to do the needful. Free Mazi Kano. As you are tapping it here, please make sure you also go to your various platforms, in your WhatsApp group, in your Twitter handle, X, okay? In your go to your Facebook. On your Facebook, put it there. Anywhere, anything, even if you're on TikTok, do the same thing. Hashtag free Mazi Mazi Can. It's just few words. It's not gonna cost you anything. Just few words. Type it as many as you can. Here on the comment section today, I want you to corrupt my comment section with that free Mazi Mazi Can. You can copy it and send. As long as YT allow you to do that, please do. I'm not gonna block it. Okay, let it just keep it. And even if you're gonna watch the video later, the comment section also put it free Mazi Mazi Can. In fact, that one will be best because that comment will remain permanently. Your comment here will disappear immediately after the broadcast. But for you to put it here is good, so that people that will this guy gave this guy in a way we see that, especially in that job that you see Mazi Mazi Can. I want them to see Biafrans demanding that Mazi Mazi Can should be freed. Please, it's not, even if you don't know how to type it, you can copy from the Obi-Wan, put it here, free Mazi Mazi Can. Just copy it and paste. Please, very, very important. Very, very, very important. Today should be, just do that. Free Mazi Mazi Can. And after that, please, anywhere you find yourself today, keep it coming. Keep it coming. Come on, and 50 million Biafrans that voted for self-referendum are not ghosts. We are still here, representing who God made us to be. That's why I told some people that I did not buy that I'm a Biafran, from shopping mall. It's God that made me to be so. Like Aslan Baba said, that God did not make mistake when He made him a German. God did not make mistake when He also made me a Biafran, an Igbo person. The original one, the concrete to package of in our water. So I don't beg for identity. I know where I come from, and that is where I will be. So please keep it coming. There's this news that I saw that I think is good to share. I don't know. I've not read it. I don't know about it. I go to Vanguard. He said this 6 hours ago. Police summoned Wazirike, Mazov leader, over proposed October 20th. Okay. Pro Nnamdi Kanu peace protest. Now, let me take as always, let me bring my picture out so that it will be more visible. This news, honestly, I have not scanned through it. While preparing for this live broadcast, I just, managed to see that. I said, okay, let me share it and to read it later. So let's go through that write-up. I don't know what they said. As you can see here, police summoned Wazirike Mazov leader over proposed October 20th pro Nnamdi Kanu peaceful protests. And when you come down here, what did they say? Onisha. Okay, let's say this one said Onisha. I don't understand why Onisha, but anything is possible. The Imo State Police, the Imo State Police, okay, the Imo State Police Command has summoned the leader of the movement for actualization of sovereign state of Biafra Mazov, Chief Raf Wazirike, to appear before his anti-kidnapping unit ACO over alleged criminal offenses. Over criminal offenses, really? How? I don't understand you. I don't understand. But Ghana, Kamalife the whole thing. Now here it says Wazirike was invited to report at ACO headquarters in Owerri on Monday. Okay, now what? On Monday 20th, the same day civil society organizations are expected to hold nationwide peaceful protests, demanding the release of detained indigenous people of Biafra IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. According to the police invitation letter, Wazirike is to answer questions regarding alleged criminal invasion, forgery, and unlawful damage. I don't understand this. Is there any issue like that, or this is just a way of taking him out so he will not appear, he will not participate? The letter jointly signed by ASP John Obute, ASP Eze Jet, and Inspector Alice Zakaria was dated October 16, 2025. The issue is this. What do you think they want to achieve by demanding for him to come to answer questions? What exactly do you think that they want to achieve by that? You see, they waited all this while and they fixed that date for him to appear. These people. And the annoying part is, look at the name here. Look at the name. Journalist signed by ASP. John, a Christian. Eze, a Christian, of course. Only this one, Alice Zachariah. Zachariah sounds like a Muslim name, but Alice is English. So I don't know about it. But can you just beat that? What exactly do they want? Like what they want? What do they want? Reacting to the development, Mazov described the police invitation as a possible attempt to prevent Wazirike from participating. That is it. Like I just said, participating in the planned peaceful protest. In a statement issued on Wazirike's behalf by his Director of Information, Mazi Chris Mocha, and what again? Where is it? Okay. And made available to newsmen, Mazop confirmed that the pro-Biafran leader had been directed to report to an anti-kidnapping unit by 10 a.m. 10 a.m. on Monday, October 20th. The statement quoted Wazirike as saying in a recent viral video, "I will be part of any peaceful protest for Mazi Mekano release. This is not about Mazi Mekano alone. It is about our collective dignity as a people. I have no problem with the police invitation. It is clear the summon was intended to prevent me from joining the planned peaceful protest on October 20th. I remain firm, calm, and unshaken." That is from Wazirike. Do you understand? So, Mazov further noted that Wazirike, who has consistently advocated nonviolence as the guiding principle of Biafran self-determination struggle, says his support for the protest was based on conscience and justice, not confrontation. So, and they don't feel good. They're not happy with this development because he said he want to join, and he made it clear that he's not going there to cause any problem. Just like Mark have said many times before now, that is about our people, and was looking made it clear. Now, this is just to remind you that I have said it time with that number. We are our own problem, and you're gonna get to know that more when we play that conversation between this guy called Vicar. You will know that. You know how the whole thing is going. Thank you for all of you that made a hashtag free Mazi Mekano. Let me just display it before we move forward. So that those who are going to watch the video later, please look at it. Biafrans are not sleeping. They are demanding for Mazi Mekano to be released. So in as much as the comment may disappear later, the one you are seeing on the screen now is not going to disappear. Names of Biafrans that have tried to, use their own way demanding for Mazi Mekano to be released is here. Please, I just wish that you guys will pump it more, and people will understand that it's not hidden. Free Mazi Mekano is here. Free him, free him, free him, and make sure, please, you keep it coming. Keep it coming. In Kiru, I see you. Thank you for that, Obi-Wan. Yamara Game Obi-Wan have been very, very consistent on that. And Mr. John Gregory, I greet you, all of you. Thank you for that. Your comment is very, very important. Very, very, very important. Yes, that's what it's supposed to be. That's what it's supposed to be. That's what it's supposed to be. Please don't forget to do that. Go to your own wall letter after this broadcast, of course. Don't forget to do the same thing. Put it there, paint it everywhere. Even if you see yourself in people's comment in people's broadcast today, please, when we come back again for fundraising, keep the same energy, of course. Okay, keep the same energy throughout today, even tomorrow. There's no harm. It's not going to cause any problem on any video, anybody's platform. We're not like the man who have a question. I gotta go. Only a question if you got one job, this one. Please, thank you so much. Thank you. Now, what do you have to say? What do you have to say about Wazirike's this move that Ndoja and Menan to stop Wazirike from, supporting that movement? What do you have to say about it? What do you have to say? Anyway, let's continue. Let's go through this write-off from State on Freemason Namodikano. And this our brother called Joe. Okay, say something here. He said, keep soaring, Mazakai. God is your strength. Thank you so much. Even though I did not understand your first comment, Joseph. Thank you so much. Nigerian Chukbo Noku. Asatena, you're welcome to. Now, Freemason Kano is still trending. He never jumped bail. His home was invaded as he waited for his day in court. Till this day, the judiciary still has not brought in the charges. It is now nearly 5 years. He must not die in detention. Everyone knows how potentially dangerous and explosive this could be. Free Mazdam now. That is it. Okay. The message is very, very clear. Let me clear this, this again. Mazakan need to be freed. So that is trending as well. So let us just keep it coming. And make sure, of course, you like the video so that the owner of the platform may push it, so that they can push it for other people, for people to watch. And you liking the video is a kind of recommendation. So please, it is also good, very, very good. Now, this is what I've told us about this, our brother. Okay, this from Delta State. Okay, this is our brother, this handsome guy. He's very, very, very busy, trying his best. Not only him, our brother from Riverland area who understand the division of Nigerian state among us. They are working within Amen TV, doing everything they can to unify Igbo people across, across old Eastern region. Igbo speaking tribes, they are coming together. Like people like him, he's very young. Imagine a young guy like this. Compare what he's doing with what George Oyibe is doing. He's also demanding for Mazamekano's release. His write-up is here. Please, if this guy is also on. I don't know I always forgot his YouTube platform. He's on YouTube as well. I've told us if you're on S, locate him and follow him. Okay. They are doing more. In fact, on these Igbo people, these are brothers, Igbo brothers in River State, in Delta State. They are more vocal than the so-called DOS, the so-called IPOB. And I was told there's a fundraising today for Mazamekano's medical care, something like that. I don't know about it, but I have searched for the link. I don't know when they're going to stream it. I would have loved to join them to know what is going on there, but I don't have access to that. Although USB government also have a fundraising today as well. But let's see how the whole thing will play. The arrest and detention of Mazamekano is unlawful. He did nothing compared to northern bandits and terrorists that are doing peace deal with the state and federal government of Nigeria. Free Mazamekano now. He did not end there. His voice is here. Let's watch it again.
of Nigeria is only keeping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention simply because he is an Igbo man. Because I don't see the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention. The federal government of Nigeria and northern governors are negotiating with bandits and terrorists that are killing people. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that have never killed anybody is still in detention. This shows that the government of Nigeria does not care about the life of Nigerians. Imagine bandits and terrorists that are killing people, slaughtering people. The federal government of Nigeria is negotiating with them. But they kept Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention. What is he doing in detention? For 5 good years, he has been in detention. They are always taking him to court issue. After everything, they not still get one where they will see the reason why they take hold. All the accusations and allegations that the federal government have placed on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they have no proof. He's still defeating them in court. They are only keeping him in court to prolong his stay there. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This shows that the judiciary of Nigeria is unfair. The judiciary of Nigeria has been hijacked. It's just there. It's not working. We, Igbo Nation, we are demanding for the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Thank you.
Someone say, tell them. We are here to hear from Ohane's youth. Please, have you seen any post from Ohane's youth, please, my people? Have you seen any post, any comment from Ohanes, even Ohanes the general? Okay. I have not seen any post from them. Nothing whatsoever, no statement, nothing. I am here to see that. I'm not just making it up. I'm not making it up. You know, so many people are coming up. Voices are everywhere. Okay? This one, no be talk of everywhere. A lot of people are speaking up. And likely so, it is what doing. I want us to focus on them. On that, I just want you to know that it's not only this thing has nothing to do with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu alone. Many people are adding their voice to what is going on. Many people, so many people.
Minister, what do you want to know? I want to tell you about you.
No, I'm coming to this one later. This is DOS members. This account. You see this account. This guy, Citizen Observer. Honestly, just know this. Let me tell you this before we move forward. Anytime you see people, any day you see any platform that is talking about Biafra, oh, IPOB, one family, IPOB, all over the world is this, right? Just distance yourself from them. They are evil. These are potential saboteurs, if not current saboteurs. They are waiting for a day to strike. You see, he made this post on 17th of October. If I play this thing here, if you're a Yoruba person supporting the protest, this thing may make you to withdraw. Why did he target to post this now? This to discourage people from protesting. Arrest with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's picture. Anybody today that you see with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's picture on their profile, divide them into 3. 2 are against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is just the truth. I'm not gonna play it, but I'm just telling you. If I dare click on this now, it's not a bad thing. It's a history of Yoruba people, real history. But the intention of posting it now is where I have issue. I'm gonna write on this post later. We're gonna bring it up later, but not now. Please, just permit me. It's not gonna be now. It's not gonna be now. And people are demanding for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu release. We played this one, before. A Yoruba man demanding for his release as well.
If you can make deals with people slaughtering our people in large numbers, if you can be sending ABC members to go and attend wedding of bandits in the forest, if you and your government, like Erufai said, are paying bandits who are killing us every day, see no reason why you will be keeping Nnamdi Kanu in prison.
That's the thing. I'm okay.
Since he has been talking, how many times has his people revolted? People talk. We are killing this man little by little inside the prison. 7 years for talking. And I am begging you, please, all those monkeys, the gorillas that are representing you, or Namuga, or whatever they call his name, that are calling people like us, people who are asking for you to please release Nnamdi Kanu, anarchist. Mazi there. And lastly, why I'm begging you, you see these people that you are destroying their lives and livelihood. Because your wife already gave the instruction long time ago, the Oba of Lagos said, we will take your things and we will throw you in the lagoon. And you're already doing it. It can cause uprising in Nigeria, Your Excellency. Don't forget, if they are here, what then property you must suffer. Let Nnamdi Kanu go and stop the ethnic cleansing that is going on in Lagos State. Ethnic cleansing is what is going on in Lagos State. And when Yoruba is right, I get the Koleri. Torí ẹni tí bàbá inú yín bá kọ́lé tí ìṣe tó jí owó kọ́lé o, kò ní máa wò pé kán destroy ilé onílé. We are not talking about houses that were built illegally. These are houses that were built with the approval of the state government. But because the president's wife said, Ama Dogunyi, the Oba of Lagos said, Ama Dogunyi, and we will throw you into the bushes and call the Orisha to come out. That is what we are doing. What is going on in Lagos is ethnic cleansing. And if you allow these people to be pushed to the wall, just one riot, it's not going to be funny, Your Excellency. Those people who are backing you, they are backing you because they are eating from you. None of them will wear it. Let Nnamdi Kanu be released and stop the Igbo ethnic cleansing in Lagos State.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So let us continue. Let us continue. I have other things to share with us before we go to Vicar's conversation with our brother Ezokana Son Official. But let me just get this up. There's something I want to say. I want to play just a few things. This is a Northerner, of course, throwing their support as well. We have played this yesterday, but because of today, I'm going to play it again before we move forward. So this is a Northerner. Hear what he said, and
we are saying.
No, start from the beginning.
Salam. This is from the National Association of Northern Nigerian Youths to His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu concerning Chief Nnamdi Kanu. From the north, we are saying, set Nnamdi Kanu free. Let Nnamdi Kanu be pardoned. If Boko Haram will be pardoned, kidnappers who have been giving people sleepless nights, terrorists who have been terrorizing a lot of people in different parts of Nigeria will be pardoned. Why can't you pardon Nnamdi Kanu? This is our request. This is our plea from the north. Your Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we believe you can do it. You are our president. We voted for you, and we believe you can do this for us. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Let there be justice in Nigeria. Salam. This is from the National Association of Northern Nigerian Youths.
Okay.
His Excellency,
I didn't get.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Let's continue.
Concerning
Let's continue.
Chief Nnamdi
Let's continue. So let me get to the video that I want to share with us. With us. Blessed Chuku, I see your comment. You're welcome. Blessed Chuku. There's something I want to share with us. I'm supposed to present it, on a different video, but because of time, I have to bring it up here. Please bear with me. Bear with me while we go through that. Not this one. Not this one. Now, if you are from riverine area, like if you are from South, or you are Igbo tribe that struggling with identity crisis, or if you think that when I say follow this our brother here, follow him on his X, YouTube, anywhere you see his video, please share it. This guy and many people like him. He's from Delta State, an Igbo boy. All right, and what he said here will interest you. In case if you don't know, the video you're about to watch now is a correct man, an old man. In fact, let me not explain. Hear this. Let me not talk. Because in my talk.
Many of you have allowed people to tell your stories. And I do not want other people from a different tribe to tell your story. I want you to tell your story by yourself. I'm taking this section to educate you. That is why I'm speaking English.
Blessed Chuku, thank you for that.
Okay? To educate you on the importance of you, knowing where you come from, your history, knowing your dialects, knowing your culture as Igbo people, knowing your dress code as Igbo people. Now, Igbo is not from people. Igbo is from Benin.
Now, this is an old man, a matured man rather, a matured man that is in position to know better. Say YouTube name, please. Okay, I will search for it later, please. Why I say you should follow him, in case if you don't know, he's our brother. Ndị a na-agwa na fabulon ndị Igbo. Oh, you are not Igbo. You are not somebody from Abo. Oh, I'm not Igbo. If they want to achieve something, fabulon ndị Igbo. If they don't want, if they are losing, as I don't worry. Maybe after the program I will share it to you on WhatsApp. Okay. Then maybe in our next program we may bring it properly because I don't want to be distracted now. Okay, just bear with me. I've shown his Facebook before on one of our live broadcasts, but I think I need to do it often. Not that I'm promoting him. I'm not in position to promote anybody because I'm actually trying to grow my own. Do you understand? But due to the job they are doing, you don't understand it. And when they talk without looking back. They are the one criticizing even Igbo celebrities. If I show you some of their platform, you will be proud of yourself. Emana now in Kiluka. He shared this video of a Ikore man telling little children in primary school, this is primary school, that they are not from Igbo, that they are from Ibini. One thing about Igbo supporter, because what he's doing now make him more Igbo. Like it is only it is Igbo thing to do. It is Igbo thing to do. Like when you see somebody probably devote his time to preach this wrong history or fake story, you can only see that from Igbo people. He don't know that this thing he's doing and make him more Igbo than ever, because you can't see it from other tribe. It's only Igbo man that will devote his time disturbing school children, that they are wasting their brain, that they are from Benin, not from Igbo. It is Igbo thing to do. That thing alone make, when I watched that, I was like, this man, if you know what you're doing, you are just showing your Igbo character. This is just Igbo thing to do. To come out and say, look at Though ijele kena ko ijele ana manu kepu na mama ya bo Igbo na mama ya na ebe sututu ibi edo jokwa na ya. And if you're a woman, Igbo woman, listen, watching this program, or you're gonna watch it anytime, please learn how to cover your leg, because okum wine and water this nonsense atubata na Igbo. Ime ekwu that's if you hate somebody. Many if DNA is being if you present DNA, free DNA now na Igbo, but even these people that you call your siblings could be somebody's father, could be somebody's child. That is just the gospel. Many of them are fathered by, Ndibelabra. Now look at him, very, very bold, telling little kids like this that they are not Igbo, that they are from Benin. This from Ikwere. Then this our brother says something that, that is why I decided to say, I'm going to present it. He's a very young guy, but very, very, very sharp when it comes to say, reasoning, which is of course Igbo thing to have. Enough, Igbo guy, HH think very deep. But some of us that want to be sabo, ha ga sabo ta bute mmiri ụtụtụ wekọ mmiri ta sachi river of Mawe sabo, proud sabo, original one. If you want to talk about the best sabo in the world, like Grammy Award, Grammy Award, ndị Igbo ga-win ya. Grammy, sabotage. All ndị Igbo ga-win ya. Igbo man will pick it, because Igbo people, our own level of saboteurs. We often modernize our saboteurs. Saboteurs don't buy now the new millennium. Saboteurs in the bullshit, the Gawagi, Naga nuclear, the digital saboteurs. You understand? It is able to have. This man is here disturbing these children, feeding them with nonsensical information, telling them that they're from Benin. Listen again. Talk about it. It's not from outside. It's not from any other tribe. But from Benin. That is our origin. People are going to give you free of charge. No, some of them is not about rape. It's not about raping. Someone might buy the very well word. I have to be honest with you. You don't know in Igbo land, due to military thing, jump like a wow. Okay, jump like frog. To the pig pin. All this is punishment that some our women want to have a boyfriend or yami. In my phone, you a boyfriend. Before now in the 90s, having a boyfriend, army officer as a boyfriend. Even in 80s, it's just like somebody that have okay, you can see the blessed Chukwu is telling you the YouTube name of this our brother, but if you search and couldn't get it, let me know, then I'll send it to you. Or if you're in a WhatsApp group, just request for it, I will put it there in a WhatsApp group. But that is the best place to do that. Now, Igbo women, some of our women want to have a boyfriend, so in other, you call your boyfriend Oyami. And Oyami I work at from Zamfara State. Oyami when I work at you go for an man. In our so I just born for me, and I'm born for me. They are bragging that I have my. Yes, it's true. I'm being real. And I'm up with an amanatos. I know quite know especially that Mama put to business. Makandam in Duguna like in a joint well. Fana like in a joint well. Hadabatana, you don't mind buying a weapon. And I'm Mozi Guru and even not Vicar of this world. I'm out there. Okay, after all, you're damn. From time to time, the man another Saturday. A message another room, Roger. I better drop all of this on. You go rice and business shop. Why? Now I'm about after all, as a Muslim, they having polygamy is just normal to them. Even one day I say, well, boyfriend, he got back to now was you because boyfriend we get if I work in pick a pin. And I'm about to look my boyfriend, I don't have any issue with you having a boyfriend, but even we issue, but if I forget from that friendship, a problem. ebe aka somebody ha na-asụ Igbo karịkwa oge wasef.
Those things are detailed here. So let me tell you this. Just look at the rubbish that this boy is telling those children. Lying to those children from childhood.
Now, before we play this video in full, let us read his write-up, because this write-up sweet may die. Telling Ikwere children nonsense as a history is a waste of time. Okay, we were told that we are not Igbo in the past. He's from Delta State. He's telling you his own style, his own lifestyle, his own side of the story. We were told that we were not Igbo in the past, but today we are the one championing Igbo unification. Ikwere remain Igbo, and there is nothing their false history books can do about it. Because in now, the man on the history, you just with this keyhole or you know, the history of Igbo people and Ikwere people. I don't know. It is Igbo thing to see. I have told you, don't be surprised. Publishing such book, Igbo man will fund it. Yes, now he will spend money because he want to be relevant. Maybe like if in Enugu State, someone Soka people, Nandudi, okay. Just a moment, please. Let me. Sorry about that. Just like in Enugu State, you see people telling you that and they preach Quran with Igbo language. Not the Imam Okechukwu, what the Imam Okechukwu, so I don't know. Some of them will get chomu keep 10 hours at the Senate, group to the those are one side. In another the thing, just Oberupanada Banisi, those are phone again, just jump up, Gaskia. Some of them are doing that because they want to start meat business, like having a shop, selling cow, selling meat. They want to start killing cow. For them to get it in at a cheaper rate, they must have to develop. Have to remove shoe from your leg, start wearing jump up, lazy concosa. No matter how to tie bed sheet, or more macadine, just a kind of care alaji. If one macade, Febuche kettle, Balute naga, and Okuana 2 p.m. Tottenham, Mewota, already frozen, name Mota, already. Name ya, Imecheya, your mamma, Bachu, some of them are doing that because they want to buy a car at a cheaper rate. You know what are the point? So, in as much as you are doing that, it's up to you. But know your boundary, know your limit. Know your boundary, know your limit. Let's go back to the video. I just want you to understand that that message, that part, that this our brother said that we were told that we were not Igbo before. Today, we are the one championing the Igbo unification. Or if you give a male child, if you born a male child and the woman ran away with your child, some people will tell you, don't worry, when the child grow up, the child will say, ask mama, where's my father? I'm not gonna make it up because if I'm not mine, women empowerment that dominate them everywhere. I don't think that is possible now, because before now, if a woman have maybe if a woman have a baby for you, and maybe you make something happen and you decide to run away with the child, or maybe even if you are married and somehow the woman said to want to punish you and run away with your children. Open or what why a man or the woman success, successful. But open a woman battle, work it out before battle. The child, tendency of the child is let me, where's my father? I'm going back home. I want to know my father's family. I want to know my village. I'm not welcome. You know, that kind of thing. because as the child is growing up, once that your child get to, let's say, 12, 15, 18, 20 years, ụmụnwanne gị nke nwaanyị bido na-agwakwa ya na abụkwana na maka na you know that the child will be like, okay, where's my own land, mama? Get with me when I got working. I know I know a long story. Don't be angry. Oh my, I have to reveal all the secret to the child. But that's the story for that. What I'm trying to say that I don't know if that thing exists now, because women cannot buy land even in a community and build, have their own land. It's very, very common now. So a woman that have money that purchase different lands, they don't need to ask, because what will push that young man to ask where is his father? Because of landed property. He want to know his father's my food. If I'm not in Abawa, I'm not in. I was sitting here. Something like a lawyer. You are where issue with your wife. Not in Abawa. My sister, please calm down. We are not. Don't be angry. It is a normal thing in Igbo land, but I don't think that thing is possible anymore, because, like I said, women can now purchase land. Even if land, these estate developers can sell land to anybody, can buy land, and women can own land and everything now. Not like before. But the one in the village, some women do buy land even in people's village. But the problem is omonna. That's another thing as omonna, which some communities do welcome strangers in their own omonna. So let's hear from this, our brother, because this is not our topic, to be honest.
Children were innocent minds. You are lying to them, telling them that Iwere is from Benin. What is Benin in Ikwere land? Nothing. The reason why Ikwere people are saying that they are not Igbo people is simply because of politics. They don't want to be marginalized the way Igbo nation is being marginalized. That is why these people started to lie, telling their children that they are not Igbo people. But they will keep lying and they will keep failing, because we, the Igbo unification movement, we not going to allow their mind touch ground. If you like,
happy to hear that. Happy to hear that.
Telling lies, publish those books, send it to Ikwere children. We will be here busting the lies in those books, making videos. Our videos will be here forever. In the nearest future, your children will see our videos and they will start questioning those lies that you people are putting in those books.
They don't know that. Social media age. They don't know that.
What is the name of that your ancestor you said gave birth to you Ikwere people? You people are calling Akalaka. Oba people are calling Akalaka. Ekpeye people are calling Akalaka. You people,
Jennifer, thank you so much.
For yourselves, saying that Akalaka means precious cup in Bini language. We have asked so many Bini people, what is the meaning of Akalaka in Bini language? All of them are saying that there is no word in Bini language called Akalaka.
I thought that we may revisit this video because it's very long. This is a 17 minutes video. So I want us to quickly go to the program of Vicar before we end this program. Like I told you, today is fundraising. We don't need to stretch it, as we normally do. But this video is well saved. We may come up with it, and do justice to that. I just want you to hear that reason why you must follow anybody from Ikwere people, from Anyoma, from Ekaland, that is preaching unification of Igbo people. You get why? Because they have deceived them and took their time for years, brainwashing them, because they were in control of media. Not like now. It doesn't matter what they say in Channel TV. We are here on YouTube doing justice to that. Not to preach falsehood, but to reset the brains of our people that some people have used concocted history to deceive. We have our brother here, Ezin Wife. Oyezoku, my brother. Thank you for joining me. I see you. Now, having said that, we need to start our video. We are moving to another segment. But before then, before we move properly, let me bring this to you in case if you're not aware, so that because I promised to be playing it. Anytime I remember that, I will bring it up and play it. That is what I will be doing for some time now. I will do it for some time.
Go again. Any more changes on name changes on street bus and street name changes? Any progress on that? Any more of those happening?
Actually, we have left the era of changing names. Now we are bringing down structures. Over 19 gigantic structures were brought down in Alaba market, and there are video evidence. You see them lamenting, "Oh my God, we have been here for over 20 years. This and that, that and this." But we just said to them, "We just want to know who owns Lagos."
It's not Alaba. It is the trade fair, and the patrons are Joe Igbokwe, the prominent Igbo people, Peter Obi, Ifeanyi Uba, the late Ifeanyi Uba, the Igbos that are the patrons of these particular places.
The owners of
demolished yesterday. Also in Jakande, do we even need to say all these things? Because we need more.
Yes.
More is coming.
Sasa,
more is coming. More is coming.
I need to understand.
The documents, apart from being illegal, the documents they have. You were not on them, just like when we played the song Ubon the Maga. Maga is like somebody we have already, we have played. Can somebody put it in the comment section? Somebody we don't see. Oh, client. Somebody is putting in that Maga. What we call Maga is like a client. Igbos are our client. They are giving us the money. Great again is not your Maga.
Trying to not let the victim understand that he's going to be a victim. So you not use a word like
anybody who call Maga is like a client. Mugu. Oh, Mugu. They are giving you the
Mugu
meaning.
Is the victim, is the client that eventually fall victim.
Isn't Mugu? Okay, what's
like okay. Don't let me explain too much.
So basically a naive person.
Somebody who doesn't know anything,
when you have somebody
naive, gullible.
Yeah, gullible, Maga, you get it.
Yes,
yeah.
when you have somebody that is still in the process, you call him Maga. So Maga is still a client. When he has already fallen a victim, it becomes Mugun. So as a Maga, I'm still trying to trade my land. Like, I have 20 acres of land. So I'll be telling Zaza, Farabale, Kudan, this is my Maga. So Zaza will now relax. Dr. Yao will relax. As soon as I finish selling the land to you, instead of you going to Dr. Yao to now get proper documentation, Dr. Yao already understood the fact that you are a victim. So when you come into Dr.
Right.
He will tell you, oh, don't worry, this land is for industrial purposes, not for residential. But you can still have your house there. You will go ahead. At the end of the day,
they played you basically.
That is it. So when you fall victim, you become Mugun. So now what I'm trying to tell you is that Igbo will forever remain our Maga. There is law. The law. No.
Island, do you have your speaker with you? I want you to search a song on YouTube. It says, Maga, don't pay, shout hallelujah. Just search the music. I want you to play the music, please.
Blood of Jesus. Sorry for that.
To clarify issue here. ṣe pé o bá sọ pé gbogbo àsọkọ ni a máa ń sá lọ́rùn ó yẹ ká mọ gbogbo lẹ́yìn tá a bá ń sọ ní gbogbo ìgbà so tí mo
Malade, stop. It's over. It's over. Don't let us talk about it again. Thank you. Anything we are doing on the ground, please. I want nobody to talk about it. Thank Jay Ushego. Please don't let us talk about anything again. Whatever is happening offline, apart from what we are saying online, whatever is happening offline, don't let us talk about anything again. Thank you.
Yeah, that's much better, Mr. Asaza.
All right. So you have to, if you are happy with that, if you are happy, please keep on buying land in Lagos. Call your agent. Come. If you want, go and build a house inside what is the name of this place? What is the name of this water in Lagos? Bar Beach. Okay, you buy land in the Bar Beach, fill the water. You have the money, of course. We're going to build your house there. Okay, that is what makes you a rich man and a true Nigerian. The message they're telling you now, if you don't connect it, it's up to you. My own is to play it. I don't even need to tell you what to do. Your money is your money. But I keep on reminding you that you will move. Maga. That if you want to, whatever you want, however you want to see it. Now, Joe Vicar called our brother Ezokana. And the conversation is not something that you would love to miss. Hey, the whole thing, the heat, everything catch fire.
Good evening, sir. My name is Ezekona Son. Ezekona Son.
When you do go to catch him to clear so I come down to very well.
Edan ye new cookita.
Okay, man, but okay. I'm video people send the guys from email. Na Ibara WhatsApp group Ijele. Na group, then give you a video and then the group. See my picture there. Always Zoku.
Hey man, of course your pictures now. Abrono some more picture you make program.
Please like the video, hit like button.
I have to go to Monday. I went to Zomporo. I'll go to Camporo, and that you can get direct. Just answer me, I will have a good conversation.
Yes.
So, fine. Who number na that platform?
That group, that
In another
Jenna Ezekuna Son. J check him. Ogen post that video. Obu date. I got no go ebe a month to serve. Oga na kawase kagana kunu shiwe go gentle nandoti.
In an event of the wire, Ogun na akwa kunu shiwe go gentle nandoti. Please, don't nana. Ezekana is make it.
How you come to get my number on another platform?
Chere kam gwanu ge number ge obro kita can post that picture otego obro kita can post that video.
I repeat, number on another platform by Ibara for the fundraising number on not there.
Agent number Agent number.
Okay.
So this man actually think that Ezekana is just like a crayfish, you know. He prepared to intimidate him. That is just the gospel. He prepared. He went there, or he called him just because this is not the live broadcast. He called him privately, like private call on WhatsApp, and in his mind, this is this guy. Let me teach him a lesson. And if guys are gonna say a dish here out of dishes, now Savian the good. Agent number. Don't worry, we may play it again with that person.
The number will lay home. Give my own them or picture.
Number. before, and the video mere basatara. In fact, onwe the video mere basatara that onwe the video mere basatara. Excuse me. Onwe do hello in an ear.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Video mere last time mere basatara ihu dele he mere ihu dele ha na akpa ngafa. And the noro I
on a management ya udele n'iria. Eche you are I see you, Ochi. You're welcome.
But it is in my picture there.
Can you wait in your picture? Though, let me tell you, Oga Vicar. Can we get Oburi hand is ezo. Asking mmadụ me oke busa chụọ ya ọsọ ma ọ bụ onye na-enyo isi ya na-apụta.
Hey, Chineke mere mere. I said that na mmadụ me onwe ya oke busa chụọ ya ọsọ na onye na-enyo isi ya na-apụta. This line, this one should me die. Negative. Because on just to exonerate himself that why must you put my picture with Udele? Really? Negative. So can Abu has the kind of here.
That Udele, my can go Ruago. Or your group now, or is it until I see you on that group? And go on, we're going to queer no, my
brother, by
the way, Kekish with the number. My number.
I'm talking. Can you?
Sorry, I have to try my best. Let me see if I can refresh. The audio is trying to crack. Okay, let me stop this one first. And let's see, because I want you to hear everything loud and clear without having any disturbance.
Yes, sir. My name is Ezekona Son. Ezekona Son.
When you joke, to clear, so I come down very well.
Edan ye new cookita.
Okay, man, but okay. I'm video people send the guys from email. Na Ibara WhatsApp group Jele. Na group, then give me video and then the group. See my picture there. Always joke.
Hey man, of course your picture.
If on a jam or is joke, I watch over the video, but he just want him to open his mouth. Go and because
pictures now. Abro some more picture you make program.
I tell you.
I have to go to Monday. I went those on poro. I'll go and as you can get direct. Just answer me, Kai will when a good conversation.
Yes.
So, fine. Who number na that platform?
That group, that Jenna Ezekuna Son. J check him. Ogen post that video. Obu date. I got no go a month to serve. Oga na akọwasị ka gị na unu shi wee gbuo gentle na ndị otie.
Ajụ ka m jụkwara gị my
ọzọ ebe ọ na-akọwasị ka fasi wee gbuo gentle, and this man did not deny na eso gbuo gentle, but he's busy trying to exonerate himself from the picture. Why must you put my picture with each other? Ndị nọ na the group ahụ, if I'm na the group ahụ. Are you scared? You have been preaching the nabom one day, unu na mambo kunu bo Simon Ekpa, unu bo Namodekan. That's have been your job. You're not hiding it. And anyway, let me not say, because he's not going to actually put it in a better way.
Number on another platform.
Number gị. Ọ bụrụ kịta ka m post that picture. Otego. Ọ bụrụ kịta ka m post that video.
I repeat, number on another platform, maybe
Thank you,
for
Maria.
the fundraising. Number on not there.
Ejim number gị.
Ejim number gị. Sanian.
Ejim number gị.
Okay, and when number will in give my own them or picture of
Ị ga na nji number gị na.
Ị na-afụkwa ajụjụ. Ọ mara your number, ị ka na-ajụ ya bụ number dị ka number gị. Ka ịfụ na he did not expect this response. Oche na ebe ha na ala na ama ezoko na ama. Sorry sir. Okay, sorry. Na mma aka ka delete the video kịta. Imefe mmemme apology video kịta. Ọ mara obeghị expect. Obeghị expect.
Ọ bụ na nji number gị. Before and the video mere gbasatara, in fact onwe the video mere gbasatara da onwe the video mere gbasatara, excuse me, onwe do hello in an na-ekwu.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, video mere last time mere gbasatara ihu dele he mere ihu dele ha na-akpa akpọ ngafa and the noro
But this is my picture there.
Can she wait your picture? Although let me tell you, Oga Joe Vicar, ka ngwa gị ọ bụrụ ihe a na-ezo ezo. Ịma asị mmadụ mee onwe ya oke busachụọ ya ọsọ ma ọ bụ onye na-enyo isi ya na-apụta. That udele my ikengu ruago or your group now, or is it until I see you on that group? Ịmara ka unu ra and go na onwe gị na-ekwu n'ọnụ gị ọ bụrụ na nwe ihe asịrị dị dia.
My brother,
By the way, Kekishwe nwete number m ka onye nyere gị my number.
I'm talking. Can you allow me to talk? You don't drop or my maybe channel. Allow me to talk, please. You not talking now. We want you. Madam,
now observe the threat. The effect is not talking about Makani Boyibo. Yeah, no Garwa goes at the dozo. You want dinner, you want to go in the Akafadon Nama, no Bejide, the BBC. No, I will take it back again. That smile means a lot of all not dodge. Watch how we fair
Until I see you on that group. And go on onwe gị na-ekwu n'ọnụ gị ọ bụrụ na nwe ihe asịrị dị dia.
My brother,
by the way, Kekishwe nwete number m ka onye nyere gị my number.
I'm talking. Can you allow me to talk? You don't drop or my maybe channel. Allow me to talk, please. You not talking now. You want you.
If it's not bugging Makanibo, I just want you to capture that very, very before we move forward. Ocho Yarana, or before John, oh, I'm a mother, Mosage. I live in a lot of
until I see you on that group. And go on onwe gị na-ekwu n'ọnụ gị ọ bụrụ na nwe ihe asịrị dị dia.
My brother,
by the way, Kekishwe nwete number m ka onye nyere gị my number.
I'm talking. Can you allow me to talk? Allow me to talk, please. You not talking now. You want you. Madam, Mado, on a boy, Enya.
The effect is not bugging on. It's not bugging on Makanibo Ibo. Now, Madam Madonna, we are a year. Meaning that about 8 years a friend, 8 year means my friend, work can be ever 8 year, in my phone in an Igbo language, right? 8 year, be a year, Kevin, be a year, Jeba, upload their aim, a good teacher. Their 8 year, wokem, onye na mama na akpọ ya bịa wokem, a kind of nne tu anya n'isi. Ya ka ọ gwa na onye na-amara mmadụ na-akpọ ya eyi ya. You what at the point now? After making that gesture, even the book man Igbo. No, you're not about na eyi. Meaning that you don't know who I am. I am capable of ifim madam. I'm capable of, you know what are the thing? It is not an allegation, judging by his videos and what he claimed that he stands for. But Ezokana, in fact, you get listen.
Okay. I have problem in a picture.
Okay.
But I ain't top of that because people be not pump. Oh, I'm gonna join your platform. If I want to join platform, nobody can stop me. And more, my email are not on the platform.
Okay.
I don't see any reason you should make video but rather on a platform give repeat something.
Okay. Logically, again and that the number. My name my family not on the platform. Meaning that no we family on the platform may not like automatically making them the job. Yet, again I had the number. You are contradicting yourself. If you request Jory and after all in the book of Bible, suppose you at least you might go this verse. If you request Jory and you got your request to Titia man laugh yan. Okay? Mana my family what's in my family are not showing on that WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group won't be your manners man, your friends, it's your cannibal, Makina, ambassadors. Platform on the talk cannibal, Namakina dodges. It can go. We cannot deliver. Negative.
Well, here didn't make this matter. You don't know na form. Oh no, for me, the bonunka. Nothing lasts forever. That now an addiction here.
Another threat. If Unu is formidable, nothing lasts forever. Coming from people, natural chain and everything, different name can last forever. Point and kill will last forever. It can't last forever. In a complaint and the boom and the best of people see the innocent people to prove now the boom, but I don't understand. How does that make sense? Your management you can't celebrate na to mom no the mad also because for the sake it happen do see happen na community means that your community deserves to be burned down. You know what I kind of no for listen no the criminal man kima magina ma no more fabu na no deserve even fighter jet bomb but and again can go 5 and 6. You got number quantity this here for short video but all content a lot. Although I you understand? So let me not go there, but let's continue. The only thing I want you to understand is just pay attention to the message. I try to make my limit. Listen.
Agitation. When this thing started, when I was there 5 years ago, now it's so promote to this particular movement. You were nowhere to be found. You didn't post my picture.
Now 5 years ago, getting promote to this particular movement that you were nowhere to be found. This is man making constant video, denying ever getting himself involved in anything. You don't support anything. Now the only ones Vicar. You know, I'm not on Facebook, but I just want to say this so that you yourself, you may come across the video, you reset your brain. Like I always tell you, liars can never change. Their life a living. Their life a living. They can't change. They always lie because that is what put food on the table. Their life a living. Why is such a life a living? Vicar, life a living. Everything able just to make sure that they capture your attention, then feed you with the falsehood, then cash out. Vicar made a series of videos debunking this issue. People ask him, what has changed? You used to support. He said, no. He never for once. That the only time he talked, he made a video like in a kind of in support was when PM declared that Jesus Christ is personal Lord and Savior. If I go to his platform, you see him say, but I don't have time for that. I just want to remind you this. You can search it for yourself. But this man have declared that he did never for once support anything Biafran freedom. That as an Anglican priest, he saw or he listened to PM saying that Jesus Christ is my personal Lord and Savior. Oh, that one touched him. That statement hit him differently. He felt that he's worshiping. Oh, Mazi, if he can say that that's the only time that he made a video in support of Simon Ekpa, that he have never for once support. But behind, because I don't think he understands, I don't think he's aware that this conversation was recorded. He's here telling you challenging the that he's more agitator. He's more freedom fighter than you. When did you start? I used to, this is my field. You were not to be found. And they get it. Maybe 5 years ago, I'm on Freedom Monday go from 2013 to anyway, let's continue.
Until this particular movement destroy a lot of things around me. That's with me. And then with Ndibo, I'm still talking. You will talk. I'm more okay. So allow me. So this organization dealt with me, and I went inside. I met my discovery. Only had a online, we had a and we had a offline. I just got into my conclusion. Now, when I'm voicing out, I don't have any problem. Anybody put me, whatever I wrote, keep doing it. Using my picture on my page, my decision to promote your page, I don't have problem. But when you guys...
I imagine using my picture to promote your page. Oh, this is exactly what Waisisa is saying. What I got is I say about us. He promotes the page, he can promote it. Really? And they make expose now going on them never if you believe it's not in the nebuchilu na boom the mafia for potential draw or any. You want them at the people in the what if you look at you looking on you like a sabra catapult can I work. Even if you look at a promote platform, a lot Taylor in a 5 years ago, kick on social media yet. A lot Taylor. I have on get a kid Biafran and someone else may promote your page by thinking that you're attacking them will help your page and all that. Anyway,
keep lying against me. There's a day of reckoning. Okay. Any day you decided to fight for my position on my right, because one of them honeymoon, only my address Nandekano, or not one order. They would my relative able. I'm a Simon Eba. Oh, you know, then they wouldn't be I start for Nibo.
Now, no, the other relatives and Ndibo that he stands for Ndibo. Okay, and all of you, no, Simon Eba, tribe. Uchifu no yo na agwa bombana ezoga na ablo tata no my vinegar. He not just what he said after this now. Please, if you are busy, drop what you are saying. Hear what is going to reply to this guy, this man, not this guy, old man. Listen.
And I cannot be intimidated or stopped until for me to stop. To stop. Okay. And continue to fight my cause of Igbo development. Okay. So, your propaganda or publishing my picture can stop me. Bro, you have come. But then you only actually post, said the truth. Only concept post, Elena. Only concept post, RIP Jovika. I'm happy now Jovika and Agwagokuna. Maybe I'm not going to go and support post for that one. Only concept post, I can never post such. That's fine. Only because they post different kind of allegation. Man, this natural I'm not church. Man, this more than 27 minutes video. I got freak every vacation. I get to know my after 13, 14, 12 years. Then I'm that life. She didn't know more. I have all those things. And I kept quiet. What I don't respond to you people. I don't do that because I cannot advertise any of you. I've made my name. I've made.
Thank you so much, Ezinwife. Thank you for validating that statement that he said it. He claimed that he never for once supported anything at all. That he supported the only time he made a video in supporting PM at all was when PM said that Jesus Christ is my personal Lord and Savior. But he's here arguing behind you. He's arguing with the second, who is more agitator, who is more freedom fighter. This is how they roll. Why is it the same thing? We have our mommy here, Madam Origin. I greet you. I greet you, my sister. Thank you so much. He said, "The woman as a guy, Ihoma Meregi." Thank you so much, and Mekwaragi too. Please like, share, and truth. Like, share, truth as gospel announce USB to the world. Thank you so much. God bless you. Obi Chinedu Mazakai. I salute you. I salute you too. I salute you. Now, this is your statement. I don't say Finland government free mass Samonekpa. USB PM, British government, Nigerian government, free Namorekano, USB president now. That is wonderful. That is wonderful. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Thank you so much. Vicar is a liar, certified liar, well known. Like I said, we had Grammy. Ito ashi. Grammy if they sabotage. Nobody can win here. You understand? But Vicar and Lazuba, Gabo, Imagono, they're gonna drag, especially this year, 2025. The award should go to one of them. Liars. Now, because he's not aware that this voice, his conversion is recorded. I don't think he's aware.
My popularity, and I cannot use your cheap black spell to advertise any of you. Any them that you can fight your back, it's going to be legal. So nobody they present with your evidence so that when legal calls you, you defend it very well. Okay. Sometimes they say, I present my own. The IPOB or any group of that feel aggrieved. You take me legal. If I don't have evidence, I go to jail. No evidence. I win the case. I know I'm wrong way. But in all, I believe in I won't give. You cannot control this particular life of destroying a label, destroying individuals. Enough of that particular move. And we have to say enough is enough. Okay.
Now, if that is the case, Vicar, speaking of legal means to have your justice, to get justice, why don't you sue Mas Namorikan? He said that he's one that ordered people to buy people, right? We have not seen your lawsuit. In the Nigerian government is struggling to win the case. And you have all this evidence you claim that you have against Mas Namorikan, and you are only showcasing it on social media against the legal means that Nigerian court have actually gone through. They have seen that and they freed him. He's not a political prisoner, whether you like it or not. But this your evidence was trashed in Nigerian court. You should. Why don't you? Or are you one of those that covered face? Even if you appear to be one, you still failed. That is the gospel. You still failed. So you don't. You go into legal means. What you said that the woman is kind of dead because according to you, he command people to buy some people that belong to you. But I have not seen anybody that is facing the same trial that Mazakan is facing because the person pulled trigger. So if you know that he's ordered other people, you should also know the person that he ordered. You are yet to present anybody that Mazakan ordered, and you have the evidence that we are the witness. Nothing was so. You have more intelligence in Nigeria, in Nigeria than Nigerian government. Is that what I'm trying to tell me? You have more evidence, and you gather information faster than Nigerian DSS that you guys are riding around with. You want to deceive who actually. Anyway, let's continue. Okay.
Okay. Onwe oge mkpọrọ afa gị na vidio mere gbasara ndị nọ na grupu dele.
Okay.
Akpọ m afa gị. And chere ọkwa gị nwa woliri aka agụọ gị. Maka na oge
ọ na gị moge zogana. Ọ na gị moge. N'oge woliri aka agụọ gị. Iwoliri aka mango gị. If for some of the soil, you don't know. Some of the soil. Negative.
Okay, because this struggle I brought here tako bidoro. Mama me na na-ekwu.
I'm listening to you.
Struggle I brought that.
So the change, I'm listening to you. Of course, go that whoa, as if na a judge. Now interrogate a suspect. Na law court. You see now, I'm not going like a walking. And if he no go so go away. Okay, well, yeah. Get man but you know, that doesn't mean anything. It's okay now. This man will or Joe the blender, or just we are go will code to switch no. Legend.
Tako bidoro. Ọ na-ara m ahụ ịkpali onye ụkọchukwu maọbụ a native doctor. Etie from ọ na-ara m ahụ. But if you maintain your lane, onye ga-akpọ gị afa.
Okay, how can I maintain my lane when my native has been ordered to be killed?
Calm down now.
Answer that question. How can I maintain my lane when my own relative, Eburia,
now, this part, I thought this message is very, very short, but it contains a lot. In another way, it's difficult. How can I maintain my lane when my relative Eburia? So now the thing is this: you are actually doing this because of your relatives, right? Wow. Okay. So you have never think that people protesting in Aba Primary School that was murdered also are somebody's relatives. This is selfish. The selfishness in some of our people is priceless. You can see it smelling. You can perceive it. So you are doing nothing because your relative, your own relative was died, right? Okay, good. I accept. But before they fight your relatives, they have 5 people in Aba Primary School, in Onitsha, in Emene, in Obibo, thousands, many people, many. I'm not telling you, even Amnesty International brought out list of people. Come then for those who hire Lumata. And I years, date, date, time, Manda Gakwa can be at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. This is a man still sleeping at night with his own children, with the wife. People knock at the door, forcibly drag the man out, and that is the end. Amnesty International, IPOB propaganda room, and they can't you be. Name that is name Nazadi, and they got them already. And they got them by people in around at 3 a.m. I can't try no trial. You are here trying to tell us how to get your justice in a legal terms, in a legal way. Okay, how many of these people that they dragged at 3 a.m. face trial in Nigerian judiciary system? 0. They murder them. Man, I will go between the family again. Can they constact it? No, okay. I will make sure that I feel American. You forgot that if you feel American also have relative that will come after you. You can't solve this kind of thing with that kind of harsh tone and deceptive means. You have to be real to yourself. If you feel that is not that what I'm saying is just a method, okay, let's see. Because Imane genocide and I could be genocide maybe let's say insect. It doesn't matter, just use fire and burn them. Just spray something like let's say shelters or what have you, and they will just die off. If you touch one person, that thing, if email, these people, if you can give how sensitive you guys. So you actually want peace in Anibona. You can't number kind of poor. Anybody didn't know very calm. Really? Wow. Get a Boko Haram. You think that Boko Haram just started because Buhari wanted to start? No. Okay. People agitate. Someone about you sue somebody. A may arrest detention. Or make it a war like detention. Okay, back. Then we feel that Boko Haram is with them. The politician will fuse the capacity of these people. They follow the Yusuf. We mobilize, say, we buy their off. We will select go the Osman Dafoda's agenda. Or if you know what in this life, oh, if you get whoop, he regret if you made it to a mayor. Mabulun K can and the car can amount of Canada. Very clean and pure. That even your system couldn't pin him down. Or was it a go up with Vicar? In a Masakari North and somewhere in the US. So him all those things. They get to just hear what his own clarification why he's doing what he's doing. If you're not with a man, look at it.
How can I maintain my life?
Ndị dịka gentle na filie na mandos unu gbugachi recently na filie na-ebe ahụ ka obere oke ọ igbuji ị na-egbuji ndị nwere ihe mere ma ndị na-enwere ihe mere ọ ebe ahụ ka ọ ga-ebe ka ọ itinye ọnụ n'ihe na-eme.
Now I want you also to understand something. This is making it how many times now that they're gonna remind this man that Nibu gentle, and he never for once say no, cut me off. He always pause and keep quiet and continue conversation. Why? Because if I be I don't make a gentle, I don't have any evidence, any proof whatsoever. But for him not to distance himself, and I want it's going to keep on throwing that to him. No, they go gentle. No, the first one I said that now. Name na ogi pota. Now, ne gentle. This man did not even react on that. Or what against that? No man who gentle. Or I said that no, he's not comment on that. Or focus on that. His land. Ima, people are water that now always you don't have any other choice than to accept the truth because go and go and away about all this why now in a physical Ima within you in our water now. And this is why I said it's gonna chop with more wolves up there and I feel. Or chop them more wolves up there and I feel. Or just not people call now where cuckoo and the book about they went.
From where I am one of those who defend Ndi Biri. If Rebukobi, I don't know who he is, but I use my platform to defend him. You are the now.
I see him get defended anybody. I see what
I can never say that, Yoga. I can never.
Your evidence.
I can never call you a terrorist. I can never. I no, I can't wait. I could Lumudan, Ikucha, Kamua, Kuzi, Kemua, Iquetiri. What do you think? Picture. Et toi fans qui send the picture. Et toi quand da hina ko ke gboru gi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na Mazi Simon Ekpa. Et toi quand fans oga.
Despite mentioning this one, he is yet to distance himself from this truth. Imona kwesa that no tin na gwa ke gbolo gi Simon Ekpa. Gbolo gi Nnamdi Kanu no fans ki send the video yawa. Now that video you send the no fan ki send the right? Now Nnamdi Kanu will be fine like that. Thousands and millions of them can give you. Man, there, from the foot. I try to put the other side. You can't but originally I see your comments. Is that this Vicar is supporting Southeast governors that supervise the Obibo. It can agafa. Oh, but normally if any more you your job. Do go over. That boy, I'm my friend on them.
Guaranteed. Onye mebiri ala Igbo metro ala Igbo Nnamdi Kanu
so oga rapo
owu na icho na m na akpọ
to defend Mazi Nnamdi Kanu your picture must be there.
I maintain enwe ihe obula ichori kwa
inania ebis no na American mebiri ala Igbo na to defend Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na your picture na ekwu no ya mebiri ala Igbo picture must be there. Your picture must be there.
But me ichori like when this na Sabo Yes, I agree with you. I don't have.
Here. Yes, I agree with you. Now, yes, I agree with you. If you focus back, it will shock you.
Why? It is a picture again of Sabo list. It is a picture again of Sabo list. Can you hear
It's not that we're not kill me. Also, that you could tell me Sabo. I think the picture again a picture of this Sabo. But again, a banana. I'm not what I feel good. I mean, you could tell me Sabo. I think the picture again a miss of other Sabo that didn't confirm body. Kevin, was you. On a cheap when if you no depend if you na sabotage in an alcohol. It's nipple sabo. It was the picture with this group zoom than one picture. In a bamba, if in a
I need it. My mom sit down sabo. What are you sabotaging?
Yes,
so to put Aliba as a terrorist land, I will sabotage it.
Sabo now. Your picture in midst of saboteurs.
Na man so na platform or whatever. Na to ego. It was that kind of I don't know.
As a sabonica to go, you will let sabotage and this man. So you don't say proud of your profession. Neighbor Sabo, Nina sabotage ndị na-arụ anị Igbo ndị otu gị na-ati picture gị ya ndị na-atụ n'ego eji sabotage eji arụ ya bụ ezi ọrụ na ọ bụzị ezi ọrụ gị na gị na atizie picture gị na the group ndị na-arụ ezi ọrụ ime ka ndị Igbo kwụrụ dachi gị na-amachagharị ka efi na-amachagharị Chineke mere mmadụ ebere ezokana this your question that is one in time.
Okay, my brother. If illegally in a form boldness now, how can a man use any little effort available to seek a fight? Maybe tomorrow night,
in a form boldness now. No, but I can't will available means the fight again. Tomorrow now, they come out 1 year. Ọkwa ndị na-fight onye na-egbu mmadụ ji igbu mmadụ wee na-agwa gị na-fight like na ị na-fight isi na-fight ndị na-egbu mmadụ mana your primary duty bụ igbu mmadụ to prove that na na-egbu mmadụ. How does that make sense? Ị na-fight na na-egbu mmadụ mana the common thing ị na-eme the only thing ị na-eme in fact fight na na-egbu mmadụ bụ gịwa ị na-egbuzi ndị ọzọ. Make sense.
Vicar,
hold on, if you want to hear me. I give a chicken because of one name. Yeah, no one get danger. Man, they like you people. I can't be brainwashed like other people. So because on your will be careful and play on your land. It's to stay my land. What is my land? How money Igbo? No problem affecting Igbo, man.
Then Abu money Igbo. Ihe mere Igbo affect make we more affect. Ichefuola. Igbo don't it doesn't for pictures in a list of saboteurs. Now, in that complaint.
Anybody's dead.
In that complaint, did I call for your death? Did I call for your death? Go and watch that video. Go and watch that video.
Why are you using my picture to lie?
How did I lie? Is not lying.
Okay. Islam one, even in a video and then on a platform, give them my picture.
How did I lie?
And people keep calling me. I'm still on the platform. Why did you lie?
Okay, no problem.
Don't worry. Keep on doing it. Keep on lying against me with my picture. One day we'll talk about it. Thank you.
Nobody is afraid of death.
All you German money.
Oga,
because
hey man, you may your videos. Is that man and the other watch your videos?
Because you guys cannot consider that way, bro.
A man on your videos. Ndị dey did remediality na ijie. Mba, adigbo abụrụ nke anyị. Mụ na gị bụ aka onye na-azọ ka ala Igbo dị mma. Ọkwa ka egbuoro gị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na ka eyi ga-asị na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mere. Iji akpọkọ egbuoro Maazị Nnamdi Kanu.
That destroy every police station. Even any man on uniform, boy, my relation on the military.
Okay.
One man at the street.
Oga Jovic.
Now they can 1 year wine on a uniform. Why a boob one
Don't complain.
Can't you people tell us the truth?
Don't complain. Jegbuonia now. Jegbuoya. Abụ na-egbube onye nke ahụ jegbuo akwụ na-egbu ndị ọzọ. You people are killing others. Ikwere go na ibu sabo, igro onwe gị sabo, ọmụ akpọrọ gị sabo. Then if onwe gị na list ndị sabo na, ọ na-ewute gị, ka o si ewutezi gị.
All right. This ending part is with me. Well, what did I say that now? Now, if we're going to listen to Sabo, on a wutegi. And he actually called it, remind him again now, highest. Igbo kisi webo gentle. The word, those who quote the word. No, come Igbo yawa. Kisi webo, unus webo ndozo. Jovica did upon all this almost 4 times. He's not gonna mention that this man did not deny any of them. He did not say no. I've never been involved in. I've not get myself involved in any killing, any plan to buy anybody. He accepted it. I found a bombard. Not 1, not 2, not even 3. Every time he mentioned that, Jovica would be like, but I'm doing it, but there's a reason. Yes, I am doing it, but there's a reason. So, what again are you looking for? Or is as clear as day? Get this part again before we end. Just pay attention.
If anybody's dead.
You not complain. Did I call for your death? Did I call for your death? Go and watch that video. Go and watch that
why
video.
Why using my picture to lie?
How? How did I lie? I'm lying.
Okay. If someone in a video and then on a platform, give them my picture.
How did I lie?
And people keep calling me. I'm still at the platform. Why did you lie?
Okay, no problem.
I want to you. Don't worry. I have no problem. You keep on doing it. Keep on lying against me with my picture. One day we'll talk about it. Thank you.
No, highest. Did he complain? Did he pause there? No. Did he deny? No. Many times, all remind and I find a boom mother. Okay, come on, no reason. No reason to him, no reason I boom mother. Obi-Wan, you're welcome. You're welcome. Obi-Wan, unmute your mic. We don't have time more.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Kai. How are you today? I heard that Peachy Cheese is here as well, and I hope she's gonna come in, and probably River Goddess, because we will need her voice in this as well. This is actually the first time I'm talking anything about this guy because I don't really know him, but I'm just talking about the conversation. Like, you can imagine how these people are so feeling so right on what they are doing, thinking that it's good. What number one is, he's angry that his name is involved in the Ijele platform. And what is the motive of the Ijele platform? Is it not to bring Nnamdi Kanu down and to bring Biafra down? That is the motive. Now, what is the motive of Vicar. Is it not the same thing?
The same thing.
It's the same thing. So now, in a for we way unnecessarily, knowing that na obokwara now, and now mbo bidoro ikwu okwu, also this guy ya chere ka o kwucha before obanye. Now mgbe o kwucha, this guy bidozie gwa we are the real deal, obido counter the whole thing. The same attitude with Adadorama. So these guys are just hell-bent in actually making our struggle to be problem. Let me tell you, I'm so happy that I will be alive. I know I will be alive to see their faces when Biafra comes. Ihe a na-asị na udenegeri ozu ijele. That kind of a thing I mean for I should say decades or centuries to come. But let me tell you, in the case of this guy, ama na ndị Igbo ga-eme ya ime ihe bụ na community ya ekwekọta ebe ọ bụ na enigoriri ya eje bọpụta ozu ya ha nga ya n'ajọ ọfịa. Ịma na ndị mere arụ n'obodo a na-atụba ha n'ajọ ọfịa. This guy yawo the first example I do wee gosi here, because the reason why I say this is in a personal fight with somebody, I can understand that this person doesn't like what you like and you don't like what the person like. I can understand it. Different opinion, is your right. But in a situation whereby you see where that everybody is pointing hand in a particular place, everybody is suffering the same suffering. Everybody is trying to find a way that we can be able to survive. Because what is going on now is that we are all fighting to survive, just to be alive. It's just for us to be able to be alive. So, none they can't make anything the bad in the past. Is what the thing that is going on now, is it not supposed to be your responsibility to make sure that you helped? Adam, I got on the by sometimes that now, why can't you just leave your differences between what and focus on the main ball? The justice system, Nigeria, the Roma. Today is in Nandekan, tomorrow it might be you because of your cousin or whoever that they killed. So, before who cousin in the matter until you meet your own side. Now you decide is here because Nandekan in your order. According to him, now, which means every other thing in the canon who must go down. So, each is also when they kwenye na ihe na the canon imezi expect ka kwenyere ki iwe to our leader down. Ka ndị ọzọ nọrọzie n'akụkụ nọ na-eneziga ya na-etu gafa. Oh, no, shika this man. What is going on now? Just leave them. Everybody, onye ọbụla na-edenye afịa, ụfọdụ na-edenye afịa n'akwụkwọ nke ndụ, ụfọdụ na-edenye afịa n'akwụkwọ nke ọnwụ. Ha ncha niile na ha ahọpụta onwe ha.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ha ncha niile na ha na-ahọpụta onwe ha na everybody na-edenye afịa according to how you will be treated. So, in our these guys, ha na-eme those things. Just leave them because now I keep saying that they came late. How they are late? Like onye nke na-eje akụziri Mazi na ha Igbo or na ha Igbo. Right, ya ije kuzi history suppose ikuzi those things na school. Ụmụ akwụkwọ ọ na-akụzi history teacher. History teacher. O jeluo die na-agwa ụmụazị na ha Igbo na ha Ubini ijuzi ya si anyị ngwa ya kọwazịa ka ha si Ubini kịta nwunye ọzọ ukwu na that place ọkwa just na ndị awụ na ha si na Bini. Ndị Igbo ada achọ ndị ya ajọ ni ha ndị nke anyị nwere enwe like ndị dịka Vicar anya ya chago ha ịnọrọ ebe ịnọ filie na iwe onye Igbo i join ya ịdịkwa na ịchọghị esikwa na iwe onye Igbo nọrọ ebe ịnọ na our hands are full. Ijele udene osucha ha na ndị Igbo Vicar osu ha na ndị Igbo Adadora ma osu ha na ndị Igbo anya ya chago all these people kwai adekwa more. All I'm just saying is that I can't force anybody to belong where they don't want to belong. That's what Nnamdi Kanu was saying. Nobody is forcing. I drew our map. what we know that is the original map. If it is here that you don't want to belong, you have a right to leave and go wherever you want to go. These people are naming as if now, imana Oja from after the war. Kaji, most of these people, because advantage and disadvantage in the war is that the disadvantage is that the trauma of the war. Ndị nụrụ agha majority of them are so had to be him then. Obiana mapu. Ndị anọkwa na mgbe anụrụ agha is still in we are still here trying to do the same thing which they did, but at this time around we must win it. So, and the advantage in it is that now we have already seen where we are when it comes to Nigeria. Hade emezia na-ezughị ezo. Ha were go ha buru ụzọ chọọ ka ha tinye problem between ndị Yoruba na ndị Igbo by ịkwanye ndị Yoruba ka ha na-akụtishi ụlọ ndị be anyị na Lagos. Ifo na platform ebe ha nọ na-amụ na anyị wụ MAGA. No, Irisazi anyị wụ MAGA. All these things they want to do, just like the guy that posted the video of Nnamdi Kanu who about in the Yoruba. Why are all these things coming out at this time? Because if the country unites, because half good and na protest are him, na Yoruba involved, Hausa involved, Igbo involved. So what is which way to actually break these people apart is when you start bringing this ethnic war. Emezianya onye Yoruba afụzia na ihe awọ ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo asị na ihe awọ ndị Yoruba. So ebido gbawa anụwa na ndị Igbo na ndị Yoruba na-eme ndị Igbo ihe na Lagos. Ndị Igbo eze ebido gbawa ndị amagodo onye ọwụ na-agbasasịa. But these guys are scared. How they scared that for once that Naibawa have feeling that na help will not come out from that. Help is actually coming out from there. That is why I keep encouraging people. You cannot hear what Nnamdi Kanu is preaching without having a change of mind, because it concerns you. Forget Biafra now. I'm talking to Nigerians. What can Biafra focus on your judicial system? Nnamdi Kanu succeed. God forbid, which I know that they will not succeed. Tomorrow it might be your turn. Here another place, they will start turning your case. Can they for you? Nobody will say anything. So all can ndi jakwa waho maronwe and may push this is the only time these guys need have, or the one that calls themselves Nigeria, for them to revolute, because they already have a purpose to do it. Otherwise, all kinds of tight like this, and you want to go as a Biafrans. Mostly ndị Igbo nọ na window onye sị gị jee protest ọ bịakwa n'akụkụ ọgbakọnyekwa gị sị gị be careful. Anyị nọ na window na-eme. So the only people that can lead this war is Nigerians, and if they do, I just ask our people to support, because no one and the buy there bunite flag higher bakwa, and they know they will not care what anything anybody will say. And thank God that all these things is happening at this time. Thank God this thing happen now in Nigeria, because whatever that on in Nigeria from now till 20th of October will be a news flash. Galon.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Just like if you go now, I can do it against in a design some Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with with the different flag and different cap and everything. They are doing it just because they want to. Everybody is fighting from their own angle. Some people may see it like some people shared it. Some of them may see it as if that Shore will love to, we see it as a welcome development. The Biafran love him, that kind of thing. But it's not about Shore. How will that thing be in the minds of other Nigerians? It's just like you pushing your Biafra, to the protest called by Nigerian politicians. Because ordinarily you don't need to bring it there. It's not about you. This has nothing to do with you. You can only give your support in your own little way. If you want to be there, in present, you be like them. Ask your what is the code of dressing, that like dressing code. Sorry, you just go there. The dressing code of the protest. You follow suit. Do what they're doing. Not you going there with different flag in your hand, that kind of thing. You don't need to do. This is not you. It's Nigerian protesting against themselves, which is very very good because, like what our brother just said, Obi-Wan about him about Aya, is you need to understand that yes, it's mass number kind, but the system in Nigeria is tormenting everybody. Look at what they just said. Police decided to summon Owazurike to answer query on the day of the protest simply because he said he's a supporter, he's going there to support. They have now requested that he will answer them. You understand? The same thing that court did yesterday, because many of you did not even know that Nigerian IG of police requested that the court should give order, okay, that the protest should not hold. Then the judge did not do like Nigerian. Then at least you can now say something good about that one. He did not accept that request. He said that okay, that he will have a fair hearing on Tuesday, so a day after the protest, because the IG or whoever that did that thing did it on purpose, thinking that once he filed that request on Friday, then today being Saturday, court don't have any court in Nigerian court, and the whole court they are not working on Saturday. Tomorrow also the same thing on Sunday. So on Monday, instead of protesting, you will be in court to have a validation that you have to gather out and protest. That is evil people. And these Nigerian police are the same people that want to have a police national reform, that to increase their salary, to plan and this and that. You are drowning, and you are actually begging that the water should get more, should be more deeper. I don't know how that is possible, but let's continue. Madam Origin, you are welcome.
Yeah, Mr. Kai, and I greet everybody. Biafra, and yeah, my own little contribution. I don't want to say much on this matter. It is quite shameful, very, very, that we are where we are. It wasn't only Ndibo. It was Eastern Nigeria that fought the war. It was Eastern Nigeria, and other places were affected, though we were, majorly the ones that were affected. People like this guy, this man that went and bought a headache that is not his own. When people do thumbnails, they put different pictures. So for people to call him specifically for that, it all means even those people were being curious why he is not there in the meeting, because that is the meeting of his group. So I don't think they called him just because Zekner put his picture. It's because they didn't hear his voice. And the voice he chose is the voice that condones, the voice that supervises, the voice that targets the youths, Igbo youths, the voice that does not want to see people express themselves, that they don't like what is going on in their community or in their country. The voices, it is not a crime to seek to get out of a danger zone, to get out of a dangerous place. The whole world knows that Nigeria is a dangerous place for the indigenous people as well as for Christians. This man professes, I am not here to judge religious people, because I don't see him as a Christian. He's just religious. And religious people are people that hide under one name of a big figure to do impunity and iniquity. And that's the way I see him. He carries the Bible, but he commits all manner of, he is proud to eliminate lives. He is proud to endorse when so-called politicians go to people's house, pick them up, disappear them. He is proud to support the, and by the way, these politicians are serving themselves. They are not serving the community. Everything they say is about themselves. So he is proud to support them. He is not proud of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He is not proud of him. And like I tell everybody, I joined or whatever. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, I'm just here to put my voice out. That is all I'm here to do, to put my voice out. That the iniquity and atrocities and the way our elders are going is sodomy. If God does not judge them, he will apologize to Sodom because their ways are evil. But this man is supporting them. He is supporting them. Everybody has asked. And him, the likes of him, he is an elder. Though I don't know how old he is. He professes to be a responsible man.
They said he's for something years.
Okay, anyway, whatever is wrong with him is what is making him look so old. Well, what I'm trying to say in effect is that it is because of people like him that the world, look, Mazi, I go around, I go to different platforms. Everybody is just disgusted at the Southeast elders. It is very shameful. It is very shameful that you can't even find one man that can stand, one elder that can stand and say, release this son of ours. There was a day that El Rufai of Southern Kaduna came out on TV and bashed their president, aka Tinubu. And they called Dati Baba Ahmed to come and, the same way they always do that. If your case man is in an opposition, they will call you to come and, trash the person. Now, let me tell you what a typical Igbo man will have done. And I'll tell you what Dati Baba Ahmed did. A typical Igbo man would see that as an opportunity to shine. He will cook everything against his brother. Even the one the brother didn't do, he will come out because it is national TV, so that aka Tinubu will hear his voice and maybe promote him. Or maybe, however, he will see that as an opportunity. So he will cook everything against his brother. What El Rufai said was that aka Tinubu is paying bandits, the terrorists, the bandits, the marauders, that he pays them, he provides kiniko for them. And when they called Dati Baba Ahmed, he carefully, he was so respectful of El Rufai, though he does not, El Rufai is not his friend. If anything El Rufai is doing, Dati Baba Ahmed must exclude himself. But he was very careful. I say, wow. And if you go to Yoruba people, they will do the same. Hey, but Igbo man, will cook his brother, share the thing everywhere. Make sure that by the time he comes out, his brother got, he won't even want anything. That is Vicar for you. Look at how he and his group are going around parading themselves naked, shameless. Everybody is talking about releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. These people, because of the darkness of their hearts, they will not even care. All they want is the only thing this man, Vicar, will hear and he will have peace. You will see him, he will feel good, is if he hears that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not Mazi Nnamdi, if they hear that Vicar is dead. That is the only thing that you want to hear. And that is the typical heart of a wicked Igbo man. And I say to him, shame. They didn't call his name. He can't even wait to come and tell the world how he wants his life end. Not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And I tell him, and the likes of him, you see, they should please stop calling God's name. And they should stop shaming Igbos. There are still a few Igbo people that have virtue. The only thing I see is that the Nigeria government promotes and, pick the worst of us. And he is in line. I have heard them say it, why they are doing this, why they don't care how many massacres, the Obigbo massacre, the Mpo massacre, the Headbridge massacre, why they don't care. They endorse the government to do that. It's because it will earn them a seat in the government. And he doesn't care how many. And he will hunt down. He and his likes, if you look, the whole thing is on internet now. You see these impunity loose guard people. They discuss it. All the people they deceived, they are the one that lures these young boys. You people took Mazi Nnamdi Kanu away. You people collected his boys. And you people were using some of his boys to do your impunity. And you come back and you do boom and you come out. You say, who caught? Now you do boom. Now you caught. Now you bury. Now you be point and kill. Now you be kill. Everything is on your head. No shame, to say the least. You know what? I rested there. I thought I was going to make it short. Thank you, Mazi. Let me rest it here.
Bless you, Madam Origin. Thank you so much. Thank you, my people. Thank you, thank you. So we are going to wind down now to start up again in a few minutes from now, not even an hour, a few minutes because of the time. So please make sure before you go, you like the video and let us know what you think about it. And hashtag Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu continued. So please make sure you keep on bringing it, not only on this platform, anywhere you go, on your own platform, put it out there. You get why. Thank you, Madam Origin. Thank you, Obi-Wan.
Hey, one more time. Yes, so please, before you leave, just type hashtag Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now.
Yes,
and no more now. So now don't say we don't have leaders, so we don't have elders. None. It is Showore that stood up and is standing, and hopefully because I want him to shine with this. So at the end of the day, he'll become number whatever. He has been a great advocate of justice. Maybe that is why they lured him to release the one they call Udele. And that is what you get when you want to save everybody. Sometimes you just have to let the dead bury themselves. Anyway,
that one is a very big mistake. But
no, but like I told you, you see, if you have, you see people in the influential figures, all kinds of people to them. Is it not Chidi Wayango that use his platform to seek for governorship in Enugu or Ebonyi State? And will you not say he's the one is supporting Chidi criminality? And it is people like Chidi and Udele that deceive the rest of Nigerians. I have been in a platform where they were so much clamoring for Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, and it is because of what these people tell the people in the other side, because you have to be you have to be an Igbo person to know the criminals inside Igbo land. You know. Anyway, I rested there.
Thank you so much. Thank you much. This issue is the different thing together. He's not genuine. Did that as his yapping nonsense. PM have actually rescued his community, Ozara. So we know all those things. Anyway, see you again, my people. Please, before you go live, if you don't if you have not, and keep your eyes on the channel. We are coming back for fundraising. Please take care and bye bye for now.